So once you download this PDF, so open, you can see that the version number here. So try to get the latest version, and you can see the link here. So when click this, and yeah, tada, you can get this as a URL. And don't forget to make a copy of this Google Sheet for URL. After that, um, go to the extensions tab here, and you can see I have some good like add-ons that I use, but here we are looking at the bulk URL opener, and click open. So this will open a sidebar where you can find or select the URL, the header from the column. Okay, once you open that column, and also make sure that in your browser allow pop-up like a don't like a allow pop-up block-up to turn off, so it will be here. So make sure that um, that pop-up block is working, like you can allow that. So once that's done, click run. So here it will list, like what happening in the background is that it's list down this URL and open in as a new tabs. So when I click run, you can see that, wow, so it's like it's going to create it as a new pages, as a new tabs. So that's the main use of this. Like there are some Chrome extensions that has the same like the same use case, but the main highlight about this particular add-on is that from your Google Sheet you can edit it. So for example, if you want to edit something like more pages, like like a page 1, page 2, you can do that easily from a Google Sheet. So for example, you can do URL 1 here. So I'll show that. Okay, so you can list something like, okay, uh, get the URL test case 1, test 2. So these URLs can be added here, like plus get the information from A2. So in that way you don't have to deal with more like a complex open cases. You can directly use this Google Sheet to open this app. So when you click, so okay, so if you change, just to let you know, if you change this URL, so if you want to do header, you might have to open this again to refresh the page. I'm still working on the refreshing, but you might have to open it from this. See, so the reason, because we have enough headers, like we have like a, it's getting the e, like a value e, but it's finding until there's like a even though there's no values, but it's finding that, okay, header is something here. So you can select that header and run. So it will also open up the tabs. One